Hello everyone, fix this beautiful hair ribbon or the hair chain on the hairs and then make the plaits to fix it like this. Follow the same step for the other sides. Now again we will fix it by making the plaits like this on the small section of the hairs. Repeat the process for a few more times and fix the hairs in the same manner one by one till the end and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. Now rotate it using the hair styling tool. After rotating it, we will make a knot on the ribbon like this and then fix it on the hairs on the top. Now to fix the ribbon on the sides, we will make the plaits by fixing it. Make the plaits like this on the back and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting hairstyles. Tie the hairs on the top and then on the sides, fix the threads on the small sections. Now to fix the threads, we will make the plaits on the hairs one by one as shown in the video. Join them together on the left side and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on both the sides like this and make the plaits. Now join the hairs on the back together like this and fold it after making the plaits and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie half of the hairs and then tie it like this. Now rotate it from the between and then fix it by making a bow on the top. Tie the hairs together like this. Fix it by opening the plaits and divide the hairs into two parts. Join them and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs into two parts and then fix it on the sides like this. Join them and then on the back divide the hairs together and it's ready. Next, fix the rubber bands together like this and make a chain out of it. So here it will look like a teddy bear like this and then fix it on the hairs on the top. Now divide the hairs on the back like this and tie it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it using the hairstyling tool. Now on the sides, repeat the process and make the plaits on the hairs as shown in the video. Pull out the hairs from the sides little bit as we are doing. Now follow the same step for the other side. Roll it upward and fix it like this and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs into four sections. Now join them on the bottom side like this and make a butterfly and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.